In this video, let's see how to fix this issue on the Opera browser. Opera browser. If your videos are not viewable, you're having problems with videos on Opera, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Let's see how you can fix that. So the first way to fix it, you can just stop using the Opera browser. You can use Brave browser or any other choice. But if you insist, let's see how you can fix it. So first of all, you're going to find out the path for where Opera is installed on our Linux. So this will work with any Linux distro. And then we're going to download the Lib Ffmpeg and replace that with what Opera comes with. So let's see how to go about this. For this one, make sure you're getting the latest version. If you're watching this video at a later date, you can just look at releases, copy from here to here to find out the releases that are available, and you can get the latest link. So this is the latest link. This is the latest binary, and that's the one I'm going to use. So most importantly, find out your Opera installation path on Linux. So I'll copy, and then go to the Opera browser, paste and go. And if you scroll down, you're going to see your installation path. Copy that and come back here. I've already created it as a variable here, so you can just replace the value you find with that. I will paste this in the description below and you can use it. And then we're going to download the version. So get the latest link and download that. And then we're going to, or rather this is to remove, not ls, sorry, remove. We're going to remove the version it comes with, and we're going to add the version that we have extracted. So here I also need to extract it, the file that will be downloaded, unzip it. I can just run this because run it from there. Make sure you change the path. It will be downloaded, it will be extracted, and then we're going to remove the one that comes with Opera, and then we're going to add our own. We're going to replace it with our own. Copy, open the terminal, and I can just do this in the temp directory. So I'll just copy and paste everything in here. Control Shift V, enter. Remove write protected file, Y, enter. Okay, so okay. We have to sudo remove, and we have to sudo cp, Control S. All right, we're going to start from here. So when you get it, of course, it will already have sudo. So the file has already been downloaded. It has been extracted. Now we do the last things. Enter the password for your user. There you go. Now the issue is fixed. So if I was to come back here and let's refresh and see if I can get away with refreshing instead of restarting. Okay, so I need to restart the browser. And now videos are playable and sound is also working. So that has been fixed. That's how to do it. So of course, when you update Opera, you're going to have to do this again. unfortunately, or you can find out how you can do it automatically. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any question, let me know. If you need Linux server support for your servers, maybe you are hosting WordPress, you're having problems, feel free to reach out on bizanosa.com. bizanosa.com. See you next time.